Hi guys, this is Mrs. Kowal, your leader, and welcome to our summary of our first Indiana Heritage Spark Club meeting. I know some of you guys have had scheduling conflicts and weren't able to attend, and that's okay. I just wanted to give you a quick recap of what we did in the meeting. First off, I went through to show you guys how to get set up with the project that we're doing. So if you come to the Wayne Township 4H.org, our website for the Township 4-H, click on clubs, and then you're going to find the Indiana Heritage Spark Club one, and click on it. And this brings you to our page for this club. On it, it will have the information about our club and what we're doing. It will have links to these recaps. And real important is how to get your project going for this. So what you're going to do is scroll down, find where it says make a copy of the Google Slides that are linked here. You're going to click on that. It'll open up a Google Slides document. And then you're going to come up to where it says File. And when you click on it, it'll give you a drop-down menu, and you can make a copy. And you want to make a copy of the entire presentation. And this will give you a framework for your Indiana Heritage project for the fair. Things are back to normal. You share this with me. I will print everything out for you and put it into a furring binder, and you can enter it in fair that way. If things are not back to normal and we have to do virtual submissions, we can submit your Google Slides. So either way, if you follow through with this, you're going to have a project for the fair. So when you click on that, it'll come up, it'll say copy of. You can delete where it says copy of Indiana Heritage and put your name. A good thing to do at that point is to click the little share button here. And when the menu pops up for who do you want to share this with, you're going to put in my email address, which is roby4h@gmail.com. That way, if you go ahead and share it with me up front, you don't have to worry about doing it later, and any changes, it'll come up. The other thing is, if we want to talk about what we're doing during the meetings, I can pull it up and share it with everyone in our Google Meets, if you've got cool pictures or stories to tell about where you've been. So that's an option. Once you get that started, this one here is Dagny. Let me use hers as an example. So she found a historical marker, took her picture with it, put that in here, and then went on the internet and found some information about the marker and also a picture. This one is for Don and Mel Kenyon, and Mel is a race car driver that's in the Race Car Drivers Hall of Fame, and Don was his crew chief. And we found this one in Lebanon, Indiana. And this one actually is not an official historical marker. The Indiana Historic Bureau has a list of all the markers in the state, and one of their rules is you have to be deceased. You have to have passed away. And obviously, these two gentlemen that the markers for are still alive. If you notice, there's little race car flags up here. That tells you it's not an official one. The official ones have the outline of the state of Indiana. We were in Vincennes last week, and we found some historical markers looked similar again, but did not have the little state of Indiana. They were put up by the Daughters of the American Revolution, which is another group that helps support people learning about history. And so if you find one of these type markers, that's okay. You can still count it. My video is going to run out here in a couple seconds, so I'm going to stop here, and we will talk to you guys next time.